Hello everybody. In this video tutorial I am going to talk about mirror and scale command. So let's begin. So to explain this command, at first I need to draw a rectangle. So just this is a rectangle and I need a circle. So I have drawn a circle and I need another circle at this position, just opposite of this position, and same diameter, same radius and same area. Okay, so I can again draw here, or I can mirror this one. So just I've selected this one. Now click on mirror and just select the center point, and again this center point, and here it is written erase source object. So if you want to erase this source object, click on yes, and if you want to keep this source object, click on no, and by default it is no, so click on enter. Okay, now again, so click another one, make another one. Okay, now make a rectangle, sorry, triangle. So I want to make another triangle in the opposite, at this side, but in opposite direction. So just select this triangle and click on mirror. So just select this center point to this center point or midpoint and just enter. So this one has been mirrored here and just opposite, like the real mirror. So I hope you have understood the mirror command. So let's talk about the scale command. So just at first select a circle. So this circle, and I want to make it bigger by 2 times, 3 times, 3.5 times, 4 times, like this one. So just select this circle and click on scale command, and here it is specify base point. So select any point. So just I am selecting the center point. So here it is specify scale factor. So how much bigger do you want to make? So I want to make it bigger 3 times. So free, enter. So it has been made 3 times bigger. And if you want to make it shorter again, just click this one, click on scale and select this center, and just specify scale factor, how much bigger or shorter you want to make. So I want to make it 0.5 times bigger. That means I want to make it shorter by half time. So click on enter. So it has been shortened. So I hope you also understood this command. And if you just enjoyed the video, or if you like and learn something from this video, just subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.